Surprise, surprise, surprise! I have another box. So what is in this box? So today we are going to unbox our surprise. So let me take you around to take a look. Well, if you know what these UN labels are, you figured out what it is. And in a little bit, I'll open the box and show you my new surprise. Good morning YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today I am going to do an unboxing video. I don't like doing these because everybody does them, and once you label unboxing, YouTube goes crazy. Everybody wants to see what's in the box. I don't know what's so special about unboxing something, but I am going to put the camera down. I could put it on a tripod, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put the camera down and then I'm going to cut the wrapping of this box, and then I'll show you the surprise inside. So I removed the plastic wrap on it, and you can tell what it is. US3000 PylonTech batteries. Of course they are made in China. So I'm pretty psyched. This is the US3000 3.6 kilowatt hour battery. We're going to pair it with our DE 3.6 kilowatt inverter. So 3.6 kilowatt hour, 3.6 kilowatt inverter. So that gives us a 1-to-1. I'm going to open it in a second and I'm going to show you what's in the box. But before I do that, let me show you the accessories that I ordered with it. It came with cables. Sorry, you can't see it because it's in the wrap, but take my word for it. It came with the cables to connect the battery to the inverter, and it also came with the rack, or the bracket, yes, to allow you to put it on the wall and mount the inverter, put the inverter inside the bracket. And I'm going to be pairing it to this DE 3.6 kilowatt inverter. Now I'm not going to show you the installation because I'm selling this to someone who is going to install it themselves, but I'll show you that I want you to know that going forward we'll be offering this particular PylonTech batteries. I can get this quicker than I can get the others. Yes, it cost me substantially more. My profit margins are much lower, but I get to provide my customers with something in very little time. So stand by. Let me go in, open the box, and then show you what's inside the box. So, my trusty box cutter. Be back. Be right. So the box is open. It comes with a product manual. It comes with, I guess, a temperature sensor. I'm guessing. Please don't take me to the bank on that. It comes with a communication cable. So let me see if you can see this better. Give me a sec. So these are interconnecting cables that allow you to connect the positive to positive, negative to negative. And this is a communication cable that allows you to do communication between multiple batteries. These cables look unusually short. So let me open them and confirm that that's what I think they are. So I know this is definitely between batteries. Let me see if you could see them. And this is your COM cable. Let me push it out some more. This is your positive. I like it has the release, as you can see. You push that button to release it. It locks the battery in. And okay, this looks like your grounding cable because they are the color of ground. So I think that's your grounding cable. I'll open the manual, read you the specs, and then I'll bring the battery out. Let me see. These are your screws to connect whatever it is you need to connect. I'll let you know what they are once I get them. I think what I'll do is I'll replace my diners with the PylonTech batteries, so you guys could see how they work. So I'll get 2 of these for myself, and we'll run my system on it, and then I'll let you know. So here we go. So here, external parallel positive lines. So that's what I had shown you earlier. The battery which is in there. Let me get to better lighting. Sorry. So here we go. Battery module, which is this in there. External parallel positive lines. External parallel negative lines, which are those 2 wires I showed you. RJ45 to RJ45 cascade cable short. Grounding cable, so I was correct. Rounding screw, correct. Cabinet screw, if you're going to put it inside a cabinet. Cabinet nut, if you're going to put it inside a cabinet. Installation manual, which is this one here. And then packing list and warranty card. So everything, so I was correct on that. It's 48 volts, 74 amp hours. So that's quite a lot of capacity. So that's 3.6 kilowatt hours. Yep, 74 amp hours. So two of them will give me 7.2 kilowatt hours. So I might do that next week. So here's the warranty card. Low voltage battery HESS battery version 1. The battery comes with a 10-year warranty, so I'm sure they go through everything that you need to know or do or not do in order to file a claim. And then here is your product manual. So I'm going to refer to the pages that give you the specs, because I think that's what most people want to know. We already know it's 74 amp hours. I believe the BMS is 50 amps charge, and then you could do a 100 amp discharge, but they don't recommend you do a continuous 100 amp discharge. 50 amps, 100 amps. So let me see. They don't give us those specs here. Oh, here we go. So it's nominal voltage 40 volts. Bear with me. Of course, I'm not wearing my glasses. Nominal capacity 3552. Usable capacity 3200. It weighs 32 kg. Discharge voltage range 45 to 53.5. So charge voltage 52.5 to 53.5. Recommended charge current is 37 amps. Max charge discharge 74 amps. So I stand corrected. So those were numbers I was looking for. And peak charge, so this is your inrush or your surge, is 100 amps for 15 seconds. So communication is RS485 CAN. All the other stuff is basically, boilerplate that everybody knows. 10-year warranty, temperature. What else? I think that's all you need to know for now. Maximum you could put together is 8. So I can connect 8 of these together. And the cycle life, they say, is 6,000 plus at 25 degrees Celsius. I'm not so sure you see 6,000. If I see 4,000, I'm very happy. It's IP20, so it has to be installed indoors. You cannot install it outdoors. So let me bring the battery out, show it to you, and then I'll end this wonderful video. So here is the battery out of the box. It's standing upright. Let me go around so you could see. Bear with me, it's a tight space. So the standard warning, danger, PylonTech, it tells you the same information I read to you earlier. And then let me show you the top of the battery, or the front of the battery. So let's start with the most obvious. Your positive, you have 2 positives, 2 negatives. Now these batteries always have 2 positives, 2 negatives, and the reason why you see 2 positives and 2 negatives is it allows you to parallel them. So you can connect this to the next battery and this to the battery on top, and then last battery will have the last to the system, the inverter positive, and then here is your 2 negatives, same as here. Here are your communication ports, and this actually will show you displays based on what it's doing, unlike some of the other batteries we have. So is your CAN, your RS485, and then your link. I don't know what this does until I install it. I cannot explain to you exactly what it does. Your dip switches allows you to set your master and your slave, and then here's your power switch, turn it on and off. Here's your ground log, so you push on, you push off to turn it on, you push on to turn it on, push off to turn it off. And then I don't know what this red button does, but when I read the manual I'll be able to tell you. But this shows you your state of charge. If the run light, if it's running, if there's an alarm generally could be an imbalance or low battery. And then your state of charge, as you can see, it's graduated. It's a graduated scale, high and then low till you get to where your battery is depleted. So I'm pretty psyched. I know when I tell you that I've finally arrived at what I want to do and I'm not going to change, I get up and then I change my mind and I change again. So next week possibly I'll install this if we have the time. If not, it will be the week after. I'll install this on my DE 5 kilowatt inverter so that you can see how it operates, and then you can make comments and tell me what you like about it. So once again, if this is Dr. Solar, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I post new videos, click on the bell icon. If you like what you see, do give me a thumbs up. Please share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from Lagos.